Hello everybody, welcome back to Sailing Madness. Just thought I'd give you a bit of a real-time update on what's going on with our sailing and what will be happening in the future with the channel. Now before we get into that, I would just like to say a big thank you because we have just passed 6,000 subscribers, which is an amazing achievement. If you're new here, welcome aboard. If you've been here from day one, thank you so much for your continued support. Now, as you know, we are in the middle of sailing around Scotland and we've got a bit of a big announcement to make about what's going to be happening in future weeks, in future months, and who knows, in future years. And that big announcement is we're staying in Scotland, or at least the boat is for now anyway. Now, as you know, if you've been a regular subscriber, at the back end of last summer, we were up here in Scotland. We brought the boat all the way back down to our home port in North Wales, and then we did the reverse journey back up here earlier on this year. Now, the original plan was we were going to be heading back to North Wales in a couple of weeks' time, but I'm already thinking about bringing the boat up to Scotland next year. And then I started thinking, well, why do I need to take the boat back to North Wales only to bring it back at some point next year? So we've made a big decision and we have decided to leave the boat here in Scotland, which means hopefully over the next couple of months throughout winter we'll get some winter sailing done. And one of the reasons why we've chosen to do that, I tell you what, rather than me tell you, just have a look at what we've filmed so far and what you're going to see in future episodes. Right, so after seeing that, I'm sure you can see why I've chosen to leave the boat up here in Scotland. And with Robin's help, we looked at various marinas. We looked at loads of marinas up here on the west coast of Scotland. And the marina we've chosen to leave the boat at is in the Oban area. And we've chosen that area because, well, it's location, 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 isn't it, Robin?
Fabulous. Nice and centrally located for the west coast. You can disappear off down the Sound of Mull. You can head off up to Fort William and the Caledonian Canal, or you can head down to Jura and Islay and the distilleries.
So yeah, so the boat is going to be staying here for the winter. As I said before, hopefully we'll get some nice winter sailing at some point in the future. Now, the big downside for me of doing this is that the boat is going to be a long way from where I live, and probably what you've never seen before on the videos is that I do tend to go over to the boat once a week, do a bit of tinkering. It's a bit of, treat it as a bit of a man shed really, and of course I'm not going to be able to do that because it's going to be a 6-hour drive to get from my home to the new marina. That's going to be a bit of a bummer, but I'm just going to have to live with that. And hopefully in the winter, as I said, we'll get some nice sailing. We may not. The weather might be completely horrible like it is at the moment, but who knows. So there you go. That's the big announcement. We're not coming back to North Wales. Well, we are coming back to North Wales. The boat is staying in Scotland, and hopefully more winter sailing coming up in this fabulous place to sail here in the UK. So there you go, that is the channel update, that's the latest news. We're back to normal videos. We've got some great footage to show you of what we've recorded over the last couple of weeks, and if you haven't done so already, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave that like, any comments, please put them in the box below. We love reading your comments. So until next time, thank you for watching, see you soon, bye bye.